Hey guys, welcome to Just Jamie. I'm Jamie, obviously. So if you're new, welcome to my channel. I literally started this channel 5 days ago. I feel like I should begin the video by talking a little bit about myself and who I am. I've been watching YouTube for years and years, and I've always wanted to start a channel from a young age, but I've always been, I don't know, distracted, nervous, or busy with what's going on in the world right now. I obviously have a lot of free time doing really nothing besides a lot of cleaning.
But do I?
I'm also cooking.
Kind of.
So I thought, you know what? Let me do this. If something great happens, I become world famous. Sure, honey, no problem. And if nothing comes of it, that's okay too. I really don't think I'm that interesting, but I'm going to try. So I'm in my 30s. I live in Canada, Toronto specifically, and I love beauty, I love fashion, I love doing random things, singing, dancing. Those are definitely my talents. And this is more awkward than I thought it was gonna be. So I have 2 dogs. That is my dog, yes, that is Charlie. I also have another one, Chewy. I'll show you guys in 2 seconds. This is Chewy. Choo-choo. He needs a haircut. And this is Charlie. He also needs a haircut.
Yes, quick little photo shoot.
On with the video. I am engaged and we're planning a wedding for next year. Just hoping this whole situation going on in the world right now will end soon so we can all get on with our lives and just keep living. I don't really know what else to say about myself. Thank you for watching me today. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the bottom. Thank you. Bye.
Don't forget to add me on Instagram at JustJamieP so we can keep talking.